Well, there's the radio back in its case. Old stuff, very heavy. And here's the Gonset GSB-100. So what's different? I yanked out the two capacitors here. I had this thing on yesterday, just seeing what it would do, sitting idling, doing nothing, and the capacitors on the top deck, I think, were sparking, just going boom, smack, crack, every so often, like every 20 minutes. So I took those out and I just put in two 40 whiff capacitors. So really every power capacitor in this thing has changed. Those two are changed, and then for the high voltage, they're all external, as you can see right there. There's one capacitor, and the other one is right there. So, and those are for the low voltage, the B+. High voltage, plate voltage right there. So everything's been changed. It's been running about half an hour. Nothing has sparked up yet. So I also changed the capacitors on the bottom for the bias. So all that's been done. So I'm thinking this thing is hopefully just about done. It's been painful, really painful. Anyway, I'm on AM now, on a dummy load. This is KB3W testing on AM mode. So it does work on AM pretty well. That's really what I wanted it for. This is KB3W testing on AM mode. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what sideband sounds like. Hello sideband, hello sideband. Yeah, it sounds like sideband. Sounds like sideband. Testing on sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. All right, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing on sideband. Testing on AM. 1, 2, 3. Testing on AM. 1, 2, 3. Upward, upward, going up. Oh, oh. And there's phase modulation. This is phase modulation. It works a little bit. Still getting some crackling. That's not good. How about in AM mode? Volume down. No crackling there. Sideband mode. No crackling really. That's about right for bias. But phase modulation mode. Crackle, crackle. Is this changing here? Oh yeah. Doesn't like that. Well, there's another nasty problem, isn't it? All right, but AM, we're holding tough. AM test, AM test. KB3W testing AM. KB3W testing AM. So you never know. You're never done with these things. You know, it's like I kind of want this thing to be done, and I'm trying to fix it now. And the phase modulation's not working. Maybe I don't care, but I kind of do care because you want the thing to work. Oh well, enough of my lecture. New capacitors, it's holding in there. I'm gonna let it run for a few hours and see what it does. So this is 7200 here. Sensitivity down, go to BFL mode.
Man, them monkeys, they got 2-inch skates on. Good God, they bite you all over. Yeah, that's what they try to do is bite your fingers off so you can't stop that. Yeah, that's one thing you don't mess with, a monkey. They're stronger than all get out.
All right.
And 82K and